Right, come back out. I've got the front off. Now the confusing thing is, the gears are intact. Nothing wrong with them. Let me just undo this. Back in a sec, hang on. Right, took that off. That still don't move, but the cam moves and the followers go up and down. See it? There's nothing wrong with the followers. The top's free. Something on that crank has made it solid. The gear's good from what I can tell. Can't see any brakes in it. So the only thing I could think of, I don't know how this has got chewed up. I took that off and that was bent up here. Wasn't even connected in these holes. So the only thing I could think of is oil pump has froze, or a piston has got stuck. Now they was moving really smooth, so I can't see that. I've drained the oil out. The oil was clean. Well, there was no, it wasn't yucky. It was all right. There's no oil in there now. So that turns good. That means the top of the engine's good. Followers are good. And yes, I do know how to do all the timing on this. It's quite simple, to be honest. You've got a hole there, and that dowel bit there, they have to point at each other, and that's pretty much the timing. Nice and easy, simple engine, love it. So I can't do anything about the bottom end until I can actually take this engine off. I mean, it's already loose. So basically I need to get that out and onto an engine stand. I'm thinking oil pump. That's froze solid. I could be wrong. Any suggestions? Yeah, just a little update on what I've done. I'm glad I took this engine apart, to be honest, because it is absolutely disgusting. Look at this. Look, I pulled chunks out of here. The water pump's still good. Still spins nice and free. But I'm thinking as I've got it off, I might get a new one or just clean this one up, because it's perfect. It's just very yucky from sitting. We'll see, because they're not expensive. So that's where I'm at. Oh boy, I wasn't expecting to be doing this yet, but I suppose it's forced me to do it, so may as well. I am going away in August for 2 weeks, so I can have a fresh head and start back on this afterwards. I need a break, and in the meantime I can start collecting some bits for it. New gaskets, new head gaskets, whatever seals, get all them replaced. Now I was supposed to be sending the heads to have them hardened, the valve seats hardened for unleaded fuel, but I really ain't got time to be messing around like that, so I'm thinking just put my original ones back on and run it with the additives and buy another set of heads and get them sent off, and then do that in the future. I don't mind putting additives in the tank, no big deal. I just want to get this baby running, and all of you want to see it as well, so I'm going to make this my main priority at the minute. While I'm waiting for bits on this, I'll get back to some welding. At least I can clean all in there. So yep, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Any suggestions, please comment below. I will take all your comments into consideration, and it will all help me. So yeah, bye bye.